Hey, they told you shell dweller cichlids can't thrive in a planted tank. Guess what? They were wrong. Let me show you how this stunning 60-gallon setup defies every rule you thought you knew about freshwater aquariums. Imagine a tank that blends the raw, natural behavior of Neolamprologus caudopunctatus with the vibrant beauty of red and green Rotala. It's not just a tank, it's an ecosystem. In this video, I'm giving you an exclusive spotlight on my 60-gallon freshwater masterpiece. From the carefully layered substrate to the unique ceramic caves, every detail was designed to create a thriving, balanced habitat. Let's dive into what makes this setup so special and how you can recreate it. If you've ever tried keeping shell dwellers, you know they're notorious for digging, flipping, and over decor, and generally wreaking havoc on planted tanks. And to that, the challenge of maintaining healthy plants in a sand-heavy substrate. And it might feel like you're fighting a losing battle. Hey, most people give up, opting for a bare-bottom tank with shells and rocks. But here's the problem. A bare tank doesn't showcase the beauty of these fish or let them live in a more natural, enriched environment. So, how do you balance the needs of these fascinating cichlids with the aesthetics of a lush aquascape? The foundation of this tank is what sets it apart. I use a 1-inch layer of nutrient-rich soil, which provides essential nutrients for the plants. On top of that, I added 2 inches of sand. Why sand? It's essential for shell dwellers, allowing them to dig and rearrange the environment, a behavior that's critical to their well-being. The sand also keeps the tank looking clean and natural, complementing the colors of the fish and plants. The trick here is the balance. The soil's locked beneath the sand, preventing it from clouding the water while still nourishing the plants. This dual layer setup is key to maintaining a healthy aquascape in a shell dweller tank. Now let's talk plants. Rotala species are perfect for this setup because they grow fast, absorb excess nutrients, and add a pop of color. The red Rotala brings vibrant contrast to the greenery, while the green Rotala adds depth and texture. But here's the kicker. These plants are rooted in the soil later, not by the sand, by carefully planting them deep enough to reach the nutrient layer. I've ensured they get the sustenance they need to thrive without interfering with the cichlids' digging habits. No shell dweller tank is complete without plenty of hideouts. For this setup, I use ceramic caves that blend seamlessly with the natural aesthetic. These caves are perfect for providing shelter, reducing stress, and encouraging breeding. And of course, the shells. Neolamprologus caudopunctatus are classified as shell dwellers at heart. I scattered a variety of shells throughout the tank, creating territories for each fish. The placement was deliberate. Some in open spaces, others nestled among the plants, to mimic their natural habitat and encourage natural behaviors. Lighting is crucial for both plant growth and showcasing the tank's beauty. I'm using a full spectrum LED light that brings out the vibrant reds and greens of the plants while supporting photosynthesis. For filtration, a canister filter keeps the water crystal clear without creating too much flow. Shell dwellers prefer calmer waters, and the plants don't need strong currents to thrive. It's all about balance. One of the most fascinating aspects of this tank is observing the natural behaviors of the Neolamprologus caudopunctatus. They're constantly digging, moving sand to create their ideal territories, and interacting with their environment. Hey, watching them emerge from their shells or dart in and out of the caves is a joy. It's like having a little slice of Lake Tanganyika right in my home. Here's the moment you've been waiting for. The tank in full harmony. The plants are thriving, the vibrant colors contrasting beautifully with the neutral tones of sand and shells. The fish are active, healthy, and exhibiting their full range of natural behaviors. It's proof that you don't have to sacrifice aesthetics for functionality. Hey, this 60-gallon setup isn't just a tank, it's a statement. It shows that with the right planning and balance, you can create a breathtaking aquascape that meets the needs of even the most challenging species. So what have we learned from this 60-gallon spotlight? With a layered substrate, carefully chosen plants, and thoughtfully placing hiding spots, you can create a thriving habitat for Neolamprologus caudopunctatus that's as beautiful as it is functional. This tank proves you don't have to choose between a stunning aquascape and a natural environment for your fish. You can have both. Hey, you want more tips for creating amazing tanks like this? Subscribe and let's keep building beautiful aquariums together. And I will see you there.